Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, I've said it before and I'll say it again. A safe home is a happy home. Today we're talking about peace of mind with a quick 5-minute structural check you can do yourself. Ensuring the safety and integrity of your structure is crucial, and it doesn't have to take long. We're gonna run through the essential things to look out for, and trust me, you don't need to be a contractor to do this. We're gonna make it easy. So grab a notepad and pen, maybe a flashlight, and let's get to work. Alright, let's start with the foundation. This is the base of your house, and if it's not solid, nothing else matters. What you're looking for here are cracks, and not just little hairline ones. I'm talking about anything bigger than 1/8 of an inch. That's a red flag. Take your time. Walk around the entire perimeter of your house and check for any cracks, gaps, or crumbling concrete. Also, keep an eye out for any signs of water damage, like stains or efflorescence, that white, chalky substance. That tells you water's been getting in, and that's a whole other can of worms you don't want to open. Remember guys, water is sneaky. It'll find the path of least resistance, so even a small crack can turn into a major headache if left unchecked. And while you're at it, check the ground around your foundation. It should slope away from the house to prevent water from pooling. If you spot anything that looks off, don't mess around. Call a structural engineer to come and give you a professional opinion. With the foundation checked, let's move on to the walls. Now, walls are like the backbone of your house. They hold everything together. What we're looking for here are any signs of movement or moisture. First things first, stand back and look at the walls from a distance. Do they look straight, or do you see any bowing or leaning? Any bulging or inward leaning is a bad sign. Next, get up close and personal with your walls. Run your hand along the surface, feeling for any bumps, bulges, or cracks. Pay close attention to areas around windows and doors, as those are common stress points. And just like with the foundation, look for any water stains, discoloration, or peeling paint. These are all signs that moisture is finding its way in, and that can lead to mold, rot, and a whole lot of expensive repairs. Remember folks, even small cracks in your walls can be a sign of a bigger problem. Don't ignore them. Alright, let's talk about the roof. It's your first line of defense against the elements, and neglecting it can lead to some serious headaches and leaks. Now, I don't recommend climbing up on your roof unless you're comfortable and have the right safety gear. But you can still get a good look at it from the ground